Hi everybody, it's me Sissy, back today with a low carb recipe for you. This is going to be my quick and easy cheesy cauliflower casserole. Now you say that 3 times fast, but anyway, this is a great casserole. It's a great side dish, and with just a few little additions you can make this a main course meal. I'm going to be doing it with frozen cauliflower. It is equally good with fresh cauliflower. You can just take it and steam the fresh cauliflower and use it. And it is especially good if you take the cauliflower, break up the florets, put it in a preheated oven and roast it a little bit till it starts getting those little brown pieces on it, and then put it in the casserole. That is really good too. But for my quick and easy, I just have 1 bag of frozen cauliflower. This is from Walmart. I think it was like $1, but there are 4 servings in a bag, and it is 20 calories a serving. 20 calories, and 3 grams of carbs. So all we're going to do is open our bag, and I have a little glass casserole dish. I'm just going to dump my cauliflower in my casserole dish, and I'm going to pop it in the microwave for a while. I'm going to go ahead and tell you the rest of the ingredients, and then I'm show you how we're going to prepare it. I have 2 ounces of cream cheese in a bowl, 1 tablespoon of butter. You can use salted, unsalted, whichever one you like. It's really good with Kerrygold butter. This is just regular butter in here right now, so we're going to put that aside. We're going to take this, and when the cauliflower comes out of the microwave, we're going to pop this in for 30-second intervals till we get it good and melted. Then I have a ½ cup of sharp cheddar. You don't have to use sharp cheddar. Any cheese is good in this. A combination of cheeses. I've used the Taco Blend bag cheese. Feta cheese, if you use all feta cheese, it is kind of strong, so I have sprinkled some feta cheese on top when I've gotten through cooking it. Or you can add American cheese, whatever cheese you like. It's great with pepper jack cheese too if you want something a little spicy. We're going to do that. And then we have 1 large egg, salt and pepper to taste, and some heavy whipping cream. So as soon as our cauliflower comes out of the microwave, we'll pop in our cream cheese, and then we'll get it all mixed up, and I'll show you how to put this together. Okay, so I've got my cauliflower out of the microwave. If any of the florets are bigger than bite size and you want to take a knife and go ahead and cut them up, you can do that now, or you can leave them whole because they're going to be done through when we get them out of the oven. So I'm going to pop my cream cheese and butter into the microwave. I'm going to do it on 30-second intervals till the cream cheese gets good and melted. That's my butter and cream cheese mixture. Ooh, this is my new little handy whisk I got from Dollar Tree, and it works great, y'all. Anyway, I'm going to whisk this together. It only took 30 seconds in the microwave, and the cream cheese was really melted. You might want to put something over your bowl because it did splatter just a tiny bit right at the end. But as you can see, that's kind of mixed like that. So then we're going to add some heavy whipping cream to that. Where's my measure? If you don't want to add the heavy whipping cream, if you want to save those calories in it, because it is a little calorie, I'm going to put 3 tablespoons. You could use chicken broth. That would be good, or vegetable broth. Or some bone broth would be good too. Okay, so I added 3 tablespoons of the heavy cream. Now I'm going to give that another little mix. Tell you see this handy whisk thing from the Dollar Tree? If you see it, get it, because it is really good. Okay, so now I have my 1 large egg. I'm going to add that and whisk it up too. Alright, so now we're going to take our cauliflower and we're going to add salt and pepper to taste, or whatever seasoning. If you like a little bit of garlic sauce, you can put that in here too. Whatever your preference is with your garlic. Sometimes I like a little not nutmeg, turmeric on mine, but it does tend to turn everything yellow. And then I'm just gonna, this is pink Himalayan sea salt. And I like my stuff kind of salty, so I'm gonna be generous with this. Okay, so then we just take our little sauce that we made and we're gonna pour it over. Spatula. Get all that cream cheesy, buttery goodness out of there. Okay. Then we're going to take our half a cup of your choice of cheese, cheddar cheese, pepper jack, Colby jack, American, whatever kind you want. So we'll take that and just give it a good mix. You can leave some on top, or you could, what I really should have done, and what I usually do, I don't know what I was thinking, usually I leave a little bit out to sprinkle on the top so it gets that good crusty, cheesy top on it. Get it. When we get it all mixed up, then we're going to pop it in the oven, 350 degrees, and bake it for 30 minutes. I mean, depending on your oven, usually 30 minutes is enough for me. It'll be done and creamy and soft. But anyway, I'm going to pop this in the oven for 30 minutes and then we'll come back and see what we have. Okay, we've got our casserole out of the oven. And I was busy outside and I think I cooked it about 15 minutes over, but it still looks really good. You can see all the cheese is melty on the top. And this is a great side dish. It goes with anything. But a quick tip, if you want to turn this into a full meal, is I make shepherd's pie out of it. Or pot pie, whatever you want to call it. But what I do is I scoop the top off of it. I take some chicken, cooked chicken, broiled chicken, you can even get a rotisserie chicken, shred it up, heat it up a little bit, put a little bit of, make you a kind of a cream sauce with some sour cream and some cream cheese, or just with cream cheese, or you don't have to put the sauce at all. But anyway, put it in, and then just put the top back on it, and it is a pie. But my favorite is to take hamburger meat, fry up my hamburger meat, mix in a little cheese, a little extra cheese, maybe a different cheese than what's in my casserole. And sometimes I add a few garden peas because that's my favorite vegetable. And I know that it's not low carb, but I like it. Or you can add some asparagus if you like asparagus, or broccoli, whatever low carb vegetable or vegetable you can fit in your macros. Mix that up. Put it in the dish, take the casserole and cooked, spread it on the top, heat it through in the oven. It is delicious. So, but anyway, that is my quick and easy, cheesy cauliflower casserole. I hope y'all make it. I hope y'all enjoy it. I will be having this for supper tonight. I may just have it and nothing, or I do have some hamburger meat in there I might cook. But if you don't make it a casserole, if you just do the cauliflower, it is great that way. So remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. So get in there and cook something low carb, y'all. Have a great day. Bye.